There are people in their family who has never been of help to the family all their lives. There are people in the community, there are people in the town who should be of help to people around them, who has never for once tried to help. They keep on giving excuse. That reminds me of these proverbs about bitter kola. Orógbó. Yorùbá bọ̀ wọ́n ní kí láǹfààní orógbó? Apá kò láwẹ́, a jẹ ó tún korò. Igi rẹ̀ rèé kò ṣeé fi dáná, èèwọ̀ ni. Now, do you know that some people are expecting a day when you will turn aside towards them, which will be beneficial? Because all they've been saying about you is bragging with your money. All they've been saying about you is bragging with your car. All they've been saying about you is bragging about the position which you are occupying. You have never for once turned aside beneficial to them. You see, when you are boasting, bragging of your capacity, and you have failed to help them, it's of no value to them. Such people like you is who they refer to when they are saying, kí láǹfààní orógbó, apá kò láwẹ́, a jẹ ó tún korò, igi rẹ̀ tó ń rèé kò ṣeé fi dáná. Have a think today. Turn from such a person and become useful to them. Let them change their proverbs about you. Kí láǹfààní orógbó, apá kò láwẹ́, a jẹ ó tún korò.
Ẹnikẹ́ni tí wọ́n bá nípa láti ṣe ìrànwọ́ fún o.